Hey guys, so I got a SayWeee box, and that is an app you can get different types of Asian food from. So let's go see what I got in the box. Hey guys, okay. So like I was saying in the intro, I got these from an app called SayWeee. It's an Asian market. I'm not sponsored or anything like that by any of this. I just wanted to share what I got, and hopefully you guys found it interesting or helpful. So some of the things I got was like organic soba noodles. Some of these I got for like actually making ramen. So I have the shiitake mushrooms that are dehydrated. I got some nori pieces because I wanted to use them as like a garnish. But you can use them as sushi wraps because that's what they're actually for. Let's see. These ones are udon noodles. You can use these as a type of ramen noodle. And then these ones right here are actually Japanese ramen noodles. So they're a little different in thickness and color, but they work all the same. They just make a different dish for depending on how you want to do it. And then the same for the soba noodles. You can use them in ramen or you can use them in stir fries. Let's scoot these out of the way. Okay, oops. And it's falling down now. Okay, so this is black sugar syrup. You use this for like beverages and boba, and that's what I've been using it for, was boba. I also mixed it into some matcha to kind of give it some sweetness because this is unsweetened, and it's really nice. It kind of has a like a molasses flavor almost. The black syrup does. The matcha is really nice though. Thank you, honey. So these are the little bobas. I'll show you a better bag. They come in a big bag like this. They're approximately 250 grams or 8.8 ounces. It makes quite a bit depending on your serving size and what you prefer. But these are already black sugar flavored, so that's kind of why I like them with the black sugar as it is. And I've got 2 extra ones right there. I have a backup black sugar over here. Sorry, we're trying to adjust the lighting here. Alright, and then I wanted to try mochi, and the only flavor they had was strawberry, so I got a little thing of mochi. Okay. This guy, you can see, is completely empty. It is called Plum Drink. It is made from the idea of the green plums they make into tea. I don't remember which culture specifically. Does it give me product? Oh, this is a product of Taiwan, but that does not tell me who it's originally for. But anyways, kind of over the whole thing for Asians, they like a special type of tea you can only get in a certain time of year, and this is that flavor. It's called Plum Drink. It's really nice. It's a little strong on flavor. That should be fine. So it took me a while to drink it. The first time I drank it, it was kind of salty, and then the next time it was super sweet, so it was kind of interesting how it changed like that. Let's see, this one is the brand called Kara. It is coconut cream. I wanted to use this because I get coconut cream in my Starbucks, and I make Starbucks drinks at home, so I wanted to try that out. Let's see, this one is called freeze-dried strawberries, and I did open this and tried one of the little packets in here just to see what it's like, and I originally thought, I was like, oh, I can put this in a drink, but then I realized that they're more like a garnish if you wanted to do it that way. Otherwise, they're a really fun, like sweet sour kind of treat. So they don't come with very much in the little containers. Alright, so this is Little Jasmine's white peach black tea. I wanted to give this a try. And then I keep seeing this. It's called Hawthorn, it's a hawthorn drink. It has hawthorn, strawberry, rose water, black prunes, dates, tangerine peel, licorice, roselle, and salt in here. So it's like a little tasty drink. It's kind of got an neat little top on it right here. You just pop it up and it opens. Alright, so this one is, it's called pad thai sauce, but pad thai is just stir fry, so I got some of that so I can make stir fry eventually. And then, like I said, I wanted to make ramen and I needed some broth, and this is a cheaper alternative to the broth I wanted to make because I have to go to a local butcher to get the items and that's just too costly right now, so this was the workaround. And then I wanted teriyaki sauce, so I have this one right here. It's called smoky teriyaki sauce, so it's a little bit different. This is a vegetarian option for those who are interested. Alright, and then some of the other snacks here. We have Tokyo style soupless ramen, rich soy sauce. Yeah, soy sauce. So it just gives you the little instructions. Now with this, I have tried one like this before. It was a different flavor, I think. And you put the water in one side with all the little vegetables and stuff, and then on the other side you just pull this little tab, and it's got a built-in strainer. It's kind of cute. I have these guys. They're the Wawa instant ramen, so it's kind of like the top ramen that we're used to in America, but this is their version of it. And these have different flavors. There's different varieties of this, different brands, but this one I liked the most because it was spicy. And then the other one that I had finished yesterday, it had like a lime flavor to it, which is fine, but it can be salty sometimes. And then we have this guy is beef flavored. It's supposed to be a fresh style noodle, so these are supposed to be fresh, and you put all the ingredients together. Looks like it comes with like a spoon or something in there, maybe a fork. Oh, it's a fork. Makes more sense not to be a spoon, but this is supposed to be like as close to prepared for you as it gets. And then I have one in chicken as well, right here. So that's pretty neat. I wanted to give these a try to see the difference between dry instant ramen and what's considered fresh instant ramen. So that's basically all I have from the SayWeee app. I found it scrolling through Instagram and everything, gave it a look. They do have VIP service, which is basically where you get like free shipping and like different like little perks, and you get points for whatever you buy. And you can use those points towards your purchase, or you can use those points towards rebuying the VIP service if you wanted to, which is kind of neat. So that's something that is interesting. We have a year option and a monthly option, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. So I forgot to mention there was a few things that I had gotten outside of like the boba and the matcha that I drink almost every day. I had a yakisoba style noodle that was wasabi and mayo flavored, which was very interesting. That's sold out right now, so I couldn't get another one. I had what's called a hot pot, and it had vermicelli noodles, which I thought I knew what vermicelli noodles were, but apparently in Asia they're these almost gelatinous type of flat wide noodles. So that was a very interesting experience there. Like I said, the other green packs of ramen, I had those. They were lime flavored, and then I had these ones too. I think that's about everything as far as that goes, other than the plum drink that I finished today. So yeah, I've gotten quite a bit of things. Oh, so my husband was just reminding me things that I preferred, and I would say that the hot pot was not my favorite as far as the noodle texture went. It's good. It's got a nice taste. I saved some of the chili oil that came with it because it came with a lot, but I wouldn't get the noodles again. And then everything else I've pretty much enjoyed. This drink is kind of a you love it or you hate it, and I'm kind of on the fence of both sides depending on the day, so that's why it takes me so long to drink it, but I definitely would try it again. So other than that, definitely love the boba. Need more matcha wherever that ran off to. Where did it go? Oh, it's back there somewhere. And that's about it. I haven't tried any of these other things yet. I've been saving some of these so I can get all the ingredients I need for actual ramen, which I want to do a video on making that for the first time. That would be kind of fun and everything like that. So other than that, I would say overall I liked everything that I've gotten. I tried these even, like those. They're kind of a sweet sour situation. This has become like my new favorite syrup. And yeah, so I haven't really disliked anything but like one thing so far. Oh, I did have one big ramen like this. It was fish flavored. That was a very, very salty, strong flavor, but it wasn't bad. So like, if it was with more stuff in it, it would be more balanced, but it wasn't. So I tried it just kind of how it came. So yeah. All in all, I think that my experience has been pretty good so far. The service that I've gotten from them has been pretty great. I haven't had to return anything or get a refund for anything or anything like that. So as far as that goes, I have no idea how that experience would be since I haven't had that need. But I'm pretty sure they've been pretty great. I've seen reviews because you can do reviews on all of this stuff. And everyone said if they had an issue, they've responded really well. So yeah, so that's what I got from the app called SayWeee. So when you get it on whatever your app service is, you can put in SayWeee or just Wee, and it should pop up with this little like multicolored flag looking shield icon, and it's pretty neat. So I would definitely say if you are interested in different types of Asian foods, give that a go. It's supposed to be Asian Mexican, but they do strongly lean more on the Asian side. They have a few treats, a couple snacks, maybe some seasonings for the Mexican portion of it, but it's predominantly an Asian market type thing. The only bonus part that I think, for me anyways, is that it comes out of California, so it only takes a few days to get here once it processes through, which that can take a little while, but it's fine because some of the products that they get come straight from the company or the countries that they're meant for. So yeah, so my experience has been really great. So let me know what you guys think, if it would be something that you'd be interested in seeing more of, if it's any questions you have on any of these items, if there was something that maybe I didn't explain more on. So just give me your comments down below, and then oh yes, so if you've eaten any of these things like hot pots or just like fresh ramen or made actual ramen or anything like that, or if there's a specific treat that you think would be really neat for me to try, that I'm open for that kind of suggestion. I'm generally open to trying anything at least one time, food wise anyways, so that'd be kind of fun to do if you guys wanted to see like me do try videos and stuff like that. So just let me know what your comments and thoughts are on any of this. I know that we have a big Asian community across the entire social media platform, so I know that a lot of these things were like treats from home for people that I've seen on the reviews from this particular app. So like I said again, I'm not sponsored by any of this. It's just stuff that I decided to buy and wanted to share with you guys to see if maybe it was something you were interested in. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!